vision without action is just a daydream. Here is our candidate number 7, Miss Rizal Levi S. Modelo. His ambition is to become an engineer, and he believes in the saying that let go of who you think you're supposed to be and embrace who you are. Here is our candidate number 8, Friends of Bamborillo. And our Miss candidate is from San Vicente de Bohol, United Islands, 17 years of age. A daughter of Manuel A. Ladaga and Joan S. Ladaga. Her ambition is to become a nurse, and her motto is, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Here is our candidate number 8, Miss Avil S. Ladaga.
but I'm on my own. Still dancing with my eyes closed. Dancing with my love, I still see you.
Our next candidate for Item 12C. Here is Miss Marjorie Casas, age 18. Next is candidate number 10 for ICT 11A, who lives at Santa Cruz, Loreto, Dinagat Islands, 17 years of age. His ambition is to become a seafarer, and he believes in the saying that let your dreams be bigger than your fears and your actions louder than your words. Here is our Mr. Candidate, Reginald S. Somaria.
My friends are somewhere else.
And our Miss Candidate is from Santa Cruz, Loreto, Dinagat Islands, 19 years of age. Here is our Miss Candidate, Leslie S. Young.
Just dancing with my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow, and I don't know what else I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my So I'll keep dancing with my dancing again. And I think I come true, but what brings me right back in? And it's only me, it's in this room. I guess I could just pretend the colors more than blue. I lost my friend, I can't help but missing you. I pictured this month a little bit different. No one is ever ready. When it unfolds, you get in the hole. How can it be this heavy? Everything changes, nothing's the same. Except the truth is not no gone. Life just goes on. So I'm dancing with my eyes closed. Anywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow, and I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my So I'll keep dancing.
And for our last candidate, but definitely not the least, is from FPS 12A, who lives at Navarro, Lumahon, Dinagat Islands, 18 years of age. His ambition is to become a policeman someday, and he believes in the saying that to serve and to protect my country. Here is our Mr. Candidate, Mr. Kim J. L. Ponan. And our Miss Candidate is from San Juan, Loreto, Dinagat Islands, 17 years of age. Her ambition is to become a flight attendant, and she believes in the saying that when you have a dream, you've got to grab it and never let go. Here is our Miss Candidate number 11, Miss Maria May G. Vitor.
I know it's about